around the corner, so move from on ya. Cause we are danger, danger, dangerous. One thing. Plastic man sick. Hey, right.
How about it, man? Too easy.
God deny your plan, you make promise, keep it. Them the one your dream turn real. Everybody fuck off if I'm not that them I deal with.
Like literally pray. So one day a pick never next father, like
pretty girl a problem, you know. Ugly girl me a deal, you know. Chamba and crab up, you know.
Alright family, welcome back to our next episode of the Jam TV channel. Yeah man, so we start things off the right way with the Barrington Levy special and bless the ground the real way. Yeah man, so in this episode we have a hot one. We have Beenie versus Kartel G Wagon for G Wagon. Who have the mother wagon right now, people? We have to be others attack. Kartel got G63. We never say exactly which muggle Beenie got, but it have a red interior and it look like the latest muggle, you see me? Yeah man, so it's a good look. Same way, yeah man, it's a good look. Also up performances from Malie Donn Nigy Boy, you see me? We have appearances from Skeng. Yeah man, we have a feature from Richie Feelings. Yeah man, we also have an upset baby mother clear the ear on some feelings what she a go through right now. We are looking to that. Yeah man, we're gonna start it off first. We're kick it off with the G Wagon video them. Beanie G Wagon, and then we're kick it off and see how Kartel did film one and how the youth them receive it as well. You see me? Check it out, people.
How about it, man? Too easy.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks to Lord. All praises to the Lord. Me see if I'm sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe. With red boom DJ and moon in my born fire. And the Lord is around us. In blessings around us. May not care who like me. Me just a go show love. And the Lord is around us. In blessings around us. May not care who like me. Me just a go show love. For me I come from not a journey. Good thing God got me. See it and you feel. For me I come from life has meaning. Just so you keep on believing. So see it and feel.
Just go to the end of the road and come back.
Life is so rough sometimes. Heaven hear me cry.
I know.
I feel do something with my life. And the Lord
He
is
knows what he's
around
doing.
us. In blessings around.
One thing. Hey, right. Plastic man sick. Hey, right.
Yo, when you see Beanie go for the red interior, right? So me have a job back for my red interior, right? I wanna feel like a chattings. You be a arena turn up in a shot there. Red interior, red guts. I want to see a Beanie go red cut. So we go red cut. I want to some one vehicle boy. I want to know. How long gonna not see this? How long gonna not see me going to the red cuts? Never styler. Yeah. We are superstar boy or some boy a mockingbird. Red cut!
So you see two G Wagon them, you know, people. Yeah man, a mad thing I go on right now in that space, you know. Beanie just drop a G Wagon, you know. So him tell you say yo in the far back a Kartel, you know, but make you know say him round there, you see me? Yeah man, you know when you run a race and I'm gonna run down and you know. So Beenie I did it right now. It's a good look, same way I rate that, you see me? Yeah man, we also have some new music I premiere from the teacher himself. You don't know the man that always in a studio, I put in the work and make the big song them, make the hit tune them. We bring in all this success, so you have to continue to do that. So we gotta check out the new song right now and hear how we did it. You see me?
Dream big. Get the youth and I see the great things where we did. Take care of the elderly and feed kids. Making money is a code, me I give you the secret. You never rush and have to do it real quick. Put God in your plan, you make promise, keep it. Them the one your dream turn real. Everybody fuck off if I'm not that them I deal with. Diamonds and nice bands, live your life, yeah. Even for a night, be brave, and you will love it, and you will want more. I got the greatest.
Alright, yeah, Jam TV family, so that a Kartel, you know, alongside Little Vybz and Little Addy. Yeah man, new track a premiere. Song some bad man, I nah lie, I love the melody. You will love it. Yeah man, the melody body tough. Yeah man, when you see that song out now, ASAP. You see me, new video, bad concept video where I look for to, you see me. Yeah man, one of them one day, you know. Really and truly rate the song them man. It's so bad, man, nah lie, something different from what they on the market right now, you see me. So you can see that the teacher also launch him tour dates for the UK show there. Yeah man, him have some tour dates that come up in UK in September time, so you can see. Yeah man, it's a good look. I don't know the whole of England wants to see Kartel right now. She said the solo shows them in America are going really well. So England want for them time. England want peace right now. Yeah, me tell you, on a normal ball game. Yeah man, the teacher active, the teacher in demand, hot, current, you see me? Man, I match, man, I moment. Yeah man, it's a good look and you don't know, we're glad to see that car, you see me? As we said, behind bars so much years and then come back out, still in, you see me, in demand, still current, still people want to see you, people are paying them hard-earned money to see you. It's a great look, that same way, you see me? And we love to see that for the Gaza, you see it? You don't know, one Gaza nation, you see me? Yeah man, fully. So upcoming now, we're going to check out our next video here.
Don't relentless rotational full event left. I'm not upright because I'm doing my best, sing it loud. And you can allow. Sharing is allowed. So you got to, when you like, so you like that. Oh, I'm free of that. Sharing is caring. So you got to share it. Kings don't tell them I'm high favorite. Somebody way you're the gyrate.
Alright family, so that a Nigy Boy in the Uptown Mondays. Yeah man, boom send film, dark forward and ox it out. Yeah man, let me know anything about Nigy Boy performance. Good look though. Oh yeah man, and if you notice as well, Skeng in the crowd, you see it. Skeng come give boom a link. Yeah man, boom a hype one time well I reason with the Ratty Sparta. G, you see me? Yeah man, good look, this is a dark and I place and a whole of energy and then just jigs off set speed, you see me? You don't know it chap. So next up now, we're gonna check out Malidan performance. Malidan shell off Antigua people, me nah lie. When me say the man burn down the place, the man burn it down. Let's check out that clip here and tell me what you think about the performance and we can discuss it. Yes, I know when I think Malidan that over there in Antigua, burn it off, and all the mad rems with the fans them. Here man, the people them a go crazy. Don't know if it's song suspect, so Malidan have the whole place with it. The girl them love it. You can see that just by them reaction. You get me? They were going crazy. Yeah man, just look on the reaction of the crowd people. It's not a normal reaction that they get me. And Malidan always have the high energy performance there, because since recently a lot of people are comment and say, yo, young artists can't perform and them can't deliver upon stage. But as you can see, Malidan come out with a high energy, and by the looks of it, the fans were well entertained. They get me? They were very much entertained, and them feel like them get their money's worth. So at the end of the day, are the most important thing that when it comes to a stage show, you get me? Yeah man, I love the energy when him come out with and how him hold it off. Yeah man, it's a little small snippet, but it just shows a lot of, you know, where man go on with over there in Antigua. Good look. Yeah man, so we are going to segue now into Beenie Man. And we'll have a little clash in our dance with two of the dancers them. Yeah man, is a good look. You don't know Beenie Man have him upcoming show at the UBS Arena on the 24th of May. Yeah man, so just a whole of energy in our dance up a Boom Sunday, and a whole of rims with the dancer them, and two dancers, you know. I've tried to pick him and make him know, say, yo, I them around things. But check it out people, and let me know what you think. So yeah, people that are Beenie Man up a Boom Sunday, general a whole a vibe in a dance, you see me? But the dancer them know say yo, him still have it. If you know Beenie Man, you know say them man they love the dancing thing. If you follow him career from a taller time, you know say them man they have a slower dancing songs as well. Songs like Roll Like a Boat, Swing You Way, Back It Up, just to name a few of him dancing tune them, you see me? Yeah man, generally love the dancing song them. Probably need to voice back one or two of them, you see me? And run it back in the street again, who knows, you see it? Yeah man, so next up now we have to check out Stylish and Joe. All the Vybz of Kartel show there back in Florida, you see me? Yeah man, just check out a little snippet and tell me what you think.
Few moments later.
Joe Bdana himself, down south boss. Yeah man, I will have vibes in a show there with Stylish. Yeah man, in Florida for the Kartel show. It's a good look. You can see the two of them will have good energy and will have good vibe, you know. Love to see that. Yeah man. So we have shift the ball game now. You know, some current affairs where I see what go on the ground. You know, we have to keep it updated because you don't know a yard jam. So we have to check out some things where I go on a yard too. So we have to kick it off with the upset baby mother. Yeah man, she make some talk as of recently about her baby father. I don't know what the G do or what kind of role him now playing in the youth life or what, but it's so on a way, isn't me? So we'll check out that, and then we're going to segue over to the Richie Feelings clip and see what Richie Feelings have to say about that too as well. You get me?
That literally pray. So one day I pick me have an ex-father. Like, I can't me alone as a baby mother. Pray. Just met and I say, Jano, could jacket man? Jesus. And if I'm praying now, I pray some son of jacket enough time.
Good afternoon. I just realized something a while ago. Pretty girl always have be a man problem. You know what say? I never hear a ugly girl say she not have no man yet, no man no want her. I never hear that yet. Them always have them baby father. Them always have man a crash out over them. Them never end no baby mother drama yet. Them just know them place and hold it. That's why when times quickly wrong say the ugly the girl at the tight of the hole. Ugly girl have some good piece of hole. But just I realize you know. Pretty girl a problem, you know. Ugly girl may a deal, you know. Chamba and crab up, you know. Pretty girl, when the day is done. I remember, we never see a big fat stay bad girl at about she not a man yet. When winter come, when any time of the year, them always have man a cuddle with them and a sleep with them. I always the pretty girl, them always say, oh, no man, me this, me no that. How you feeling?
Alright, so you hear her views. Yeah, man, she serious, man. Sound serious. I wonder what could I be before that do her, so. Yeah, man, the GF go fix things fast. Quick. Yeah, man, say, hear what you feeling. Say, right now, the ugly girl, them have the best front. Right now, if I go see what I go on. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, them say, ugly girl, them have the best front. And them man a bag of drama and a bag of problems, and the best thing that you see me. Yeah, man. It's a good look. So, now we are going to check out a little prank. We see what I go on the street. Ella, I get pranked, you see me? Check it out, people, and tell me if funny or not.
Sim, hold the pants with us. Yeah, man, sim tail. Stand my foot on the ground hard. Sim my butt. Gone up under the pants foot. Yeah? Him gone up under the pants foot. Hold us, don't make him pass. Hold us, just hold us. Sim tail, man. Him a bite you. Stand my foot hard, man. Stand my foot hard. Sim tail down. Sim a go up there. You see, it's a scorpion, you know? Sim tail. Gone up under the pants foot. Stand my foot hard on the ground. 7 more drop out. Him bite you? Him not bite you? I saw him tail bend, you know. Huh? Hold on. See him there. Pussy. See him got another one yesterday. Stand my foot on the ground. Stand my foot on the ground. Like him gone.
And one I time me believe say was scorpion up 9 months pants foot real to the man I need it. Yeah, man, the man prank the Ella wicked, yo, the Ella stamp for days. And no, if you can't see scorpion, man say scorpion gone. And then now, man, think Jamaican people are sample, yo. So we're gonna check out some beauty, some remarkable beauty of our country, you see me? Long time I don't see them things since me a youth, so I'm gonna feature it where I can make people see what I go and say how them things they are Jamaica same way, you see me? Check it out.
Fully, wild. That curry pretty, man. Bad chef, you know. People not stay. Wild and one part, alright? Same, sir. That chef, you know.
Look at anything, you don't see no stick.
Do you want to man fully and my dog apart, you know?
Yeah, love the killer, man.
Yeah.
Boy can't cook no curry, you know. Yeah, man, people in secret, they ain't no
fully, wild. That curry pretty, man. Bad chef, you know.
People not stay.
Wild and one part, alright? Same, sir. That chef, you know.
Look at anything, you don't see no stick.
Do you want to man fully and my dog apart, you know?
So you see it for yourself, you know, people. I fire that pan water, you know. The man and cook a pot of curry, you know, pan the water, you know. Literally no stick, you see me? The natural gas from under the earth, plus the heat off of the water. You just culminate the fire and it just rest on top of the water side and the J. Just shut up a pot of curry pan that, you see me? You see how Jamaican people skillful and resourceful, but yeah, man, it was a great sight to see me again. A long time, I don't see that. Last time I see something like that was on an old time Jamaican program, Ilan Gully Ride, as a little youth, you know, upon Sunday evening time. Yeah, man, your parents them say feed them time for watch TV, or them grandparents them watch them Ilan Gully Ride. Yeah, man, I them thing they that's it on Ilan Gully Ride, them type of stuff there, you see me? Yeah, man, it was a good sight to see back. Yeah, man, so if you make it through to the end of the video, just want to big you up. Yeah, man, and thanks again for watching. I cut the one shot, we're not tarry too long, you see me? Yeah, man, stay tuned, more to forward.